Hey everyone, today I am super excited to share with you how I like to get organized and started on a new diamond painting canvas. The first thing that I love to do is, of course, open up the box from either Amazon or the Diamond Art Club. I purchase my canvases mainly from those two locations. Amazon has a wide variety of designs. They have a range of prices. They're reasonably priced. There's fast shipping. And then the Diamond Art Club I purchased from because I love the quality of their canvases. They have, again, a wide variety of designs, and they have a wide variety of difficulty. There's either beginner canvases all the way up to expert canvases. They are a little bit more pricey, but I've also found that they offer a lot of coupon codes once you purchase from their website. The first thing that I do when opening up the kit is I make sure everything is there. Your kit should contain a color-coded canvas along with color-coded resin beads or drills. You'll receive a craft tray, an applicator pen, and a pad of wax. After I open my package, the next thing that I do is I start to flatten out the canvas. Depending on the company, your canvas will either be folded or rolled. This canvas came from Amazon and it was just folded in half, so I really didn't have to spend too much time flattening it out. But other canvases that I've received from like the Diamond Art Club, they come tightly rolled, and those take a little bit more time to flatten out. How I like to do that is by placing the canvas picture side down so it protects the picture and it protects the sticky. And then I place either heavy books or heavy objects on the four corners of the canvas and in the middle of the canvas. This just helps make sure everything will lay flat and smooth, and it makes it easier for when you start working on your actual diamond placement on the canvas. I usually, for the tightly rolled canvases, give them 24 hours to flatten out. This is just to make sure it is easier when I go to start placing the resin beads on the sticky part. It'll also flatten out as you work more on it. While the canvas is flattening, the next thing that I like to do is get all of my drills organized. I had found on Amazon these, I call it a drill box, but it's a drill organizer. It comes in a plastic case like this, and then inside it comes with these little plastic containers that flips open, and it's easy to store and label your drills. This is from a previous canvas that I had worked on. This is from this current canvas, the snowman one I started organizing. I really like this box from Amazon because it comes with 62 containers, and then it comes with sheets of labels, so you can use it more than once. Again, this one came from a different design. Once I'm done, I put the old drills in little jewelry bags, and then I just reuse the containers so I don't have a whole bunch of containers just lying around. How I like to organize is I will just take one of the baggies, one of the drill baggies. I cut it open. I pour the drills into the tray. I take one of the containers and I pull off the top. I empty the beads into the container. Make sure I'm careful so they don't all spill everywhere. I put the container lid back on top, I close it, and then I put it back in the box. I get my label. This color was number 27. So I mark number 27 and I put it on the container. And then I just do that for each one of the color drills. The drill colors do coordinate with the grid. So this is color number 15. Number 15 is A or DMC floss color 826. The floss color, I love when they put it on here, because if I wanted to take a photocopy of this canvas and do an actual counted cross-stitching pattern with it, these are the color DMC flosses that coordinate with the colors that you would need to use on the canvas. After I'm done organizing all of the drills into my drill box, I like to take washi tape. This one just happens to be Christmas, but I do like to take washi tape, and what I do is I lift off the edges of the plastic, and along the border of each side, I just place the washi tape over the sticky part. I found that this is so helpful in keeping lint and anything that might get onto your arm or your wrist while you're doing your diamond painting. It keeps it off of your diamond painting. This little bit of washi tape just protects it so nice. And then once you're done with your diamond art paint or diamond art canvas, you just take the washi tape off and it doesn't damage or discolor or affect in any way negatively the canvas. And that's pretty much it on how I get myself organized and started on doing my diamond painting. I would love to hear if you have any suggestions on how you get yourself organized to do diamond painting, if there's any other tools or tricks that you can share. I think my next video I am going to do on the different accessories that you can purchase with diamond art painting. I never knew there could be so many tools and different kinds of fun things to use to diamond art paint, but there is, and I would love to hear from you down below. Please like, subscribe, comment. I'd love to hear from you all, and I hope you have a very blessed day. Bye.